Welcome to the best picks. The best pool cue grip is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of improving your pool game. A proper grip significantly impacts your accuracy, shot consistency, and overall control of the cue, directly influencing your ability to execute various shots with precision and power, ultimately leading to a more enjoyable and successful game. Number 5. Lucasi LHC 17 Pool Cue. Get ready to experience superior performance with the Lucasi LHC 17 Pool Cue. It's designed for precision and control, making it perfect for players of all skill levels. This cue boasts a sleek, black design and is built with high-quality materials. You'll feel the difference the moment you pick it up. It features an adjustable weight system, ranging from 18 to 21 ounces, allowing you to customize it to your personal preference. Find your perfect balance. Experience unparalleled accuracy with the premium Kamui Pro Soft Tip. It provides exceptional responsiveness and control for every shot. The convenient unilock joint ensures quick and easy assembly and disassembly. It's designed for effortless transitions between games. The Lucasi LHC 17 is more than just a cue, it's an extension of your skill. Elevate your game with this exceptional piece of equipment. What we like. It boasts a quick-release unilock joint for easy assembly and disassembly. The soft Kamui tip provides excellent control and accuracy. If you need a cue with adjustable weight to fine-tune your shot, this is the one for you. What people say. Shaft is pro-tapered with Kamui soft tip. Elevated my game instantly. Upgraded my shipping to overnight for both cues and gave me a better case. Number 4. Players DJS Cue. Get ready to experience superior control and performance with this exceptional cue. Its unique design and high-quality materials will elevate your game. The MZ multi-zone grip wrap provides separate traction zones, ensuring a firm grip even under pressure. Maintain consistent hand torque for every shot. It features a stainless steel joint collar with a 5/16 by 18 pin, delivering a rock-solid hit every time. Experience the power and precision. The 13mm Premium Low Professional Low Pro tip is made of hard oak leather. This ensures it maintains its shape and delivers consistent play. It's available in a range of weights, from 18 to 21 ounces, in half-ounce increments. Find the perfect weight to match your style. We stand behind the quality of this cue. It comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This cue features a unique multi-zone grip for superior control and consistent hand torque. The stainless steel joint ensures a rock-solid hit. If you value durability and a lifetime warranty, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The pool stick is made very nicely and with great detail. The rubber grub is a great add-on and help with control. The stick is straight and smooth with a glossy finish. The weight is correct and the tip is layered. I have shot with this cue a few times and the performance is great with good balance and control. The fit was right for me with the grip being a good feel. Not only is the craftsmanship gorgeous. The grip is amazing. Super straight, super accurate. Weight is perfect. I like the rubber grip on this cue, it has some give and you get a good hold. The cue shoots true. The leather tip is good quality. The finish on the shaft is nice and slick, you almost don't need hand chalk. Number 3. Canadian Maple Billiard Cue. It boasts a unique, eye-catching design, setting it apart from other cues. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or any special occasion. The meticulous, hand-painted finish creates a brilliant, metallic look. This also makes it resistant to scratches for long-lasting use. The comfortably contoured grip ensures a secure hold and superior anti-slip performance. It's reliable for home, bar, or commercial use. Made from premium Canadian maple, it offers exceptional hardness, elasticity, and balance for powerful, consistent shots. With a standard 58-inch length, 13mm tip, and reinforced joints, it delivers increased power and accuracy for ultimate control over the cue ball. What we like. It has an ergonomic grip for enhanced comfort and anti-slip performance. The beautiful hand-painted design makes it a stylish choice. If you're looking for a cue that's both functional and visually appealing, this is it. What people say. Such a great design, so comfortable. This stick was more than expected, it's absolutely beautiful and the design was awesome. This stick has finger grooves running up the base. This allows a non-slip grip on the base of the cue no matter gripping for a long or short shot. Number 2. Player's Killer Klown Cue. This cue is built to last. We guarantee it against even warpage, ensuring years of reliable performance. It's crafted from 100% North American grade a hard rock maple. This ensures superior strength and balance. Experience the difference of a high-quality French Le Pro leather tip. It provides exceptional accuracy and control. The high-gloss Super UV finish protects it from fading and chipping, keeping it looking its best. With a full 15 professional taper, it delivers an effortless stroke. Enjoy smooth, consistent shots every time. This cue combines premium materials and expert craftsmanship for an exceptional playing experience. What we like. This cue is crafted from 100% North American grade A hard rock maple for exceptional quality. The high-quality French Le Pro leather tip ensures consistent play. If you prioritize a lifetime guarantee and superior materials, this is the cue for you. What people say. Rubber grip is very nice and the Killer Klown graphics are amazing. It's well made, heavy enough for a great break, the art is amazing, and the stick is straight. The weight, the graphic designs in it, the rubber hand grip, is second to none. Number 1. Longoni Murano Grip. Experience the ultimate in billiard grip technology. This premium grip enhances your control and feel on the cue. It's crafted from the finest silicone, ensuring a superior grip and smooth playing experience. This is a grip built to last. The Murano grip is Longoni's choice for superior grip without compromising the beauty of your cue. It's the perfect blend of performance and aesthetics. Made from pure medical-grade silicone, it's non-toxic and latex-free, suitable for everyone. Enjoy a comfortable and worry-free game. Installation is a breeze. Simply use a bit of glass cleaner to slide it onto your cue. In about an hour, you're ready to play. It measures 13.78 inches long, is only 1 mm thick, and weighs a mere 28 grams. It's lightweight and unobtrusive. What we like. It offers a superior grip with a smooth feel, while maintaining the beauty of your cue's wood. The transparent design is sleek and unobtrusive. If you want to enhance your grip without altering the look of your cue, this is a great option. What people say. Once I put it on with Windex, I found that the grippiness it provided gave me a sense of more control on my cue. Most of the material at the bottom end forms a snug grip with no bubbles or wrinkles. It initially feels kind of tacky to me, but I'm willing to give it a shot and see if I like it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.